Maximizing your social media presence, video size, and ratio tips. Here is a step-by-step guide to understanding social media video sizes and ratios. Number 1. Identify your target platforms. Determine which social media platforms you will be using to share your videos. Common platforms include Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. Number 2. Research platform requirements. Look up the specific video size and ratio requirements for each platform you plan to use. These requirements can vary significantly between platforms and may change over time, so it is essential to stay up to date. Number 3. Learn about aspect ratios. Familiarize yourself with common aspect ratios used in video production. The most prevalent ratios include 16:9 widescreen, 4:3 standard, 1:1 square, and 9:16 vertical. Each ratio has its own implications for viewing experience and platform compatibility. Number 4. Understand platform preferences. Different social media platforms have distinct preferences for video sizes and ratios based on their layout and user behavior. For example, Instagram favors square or vertical videos, while YouTube prefers widescreen videos. Number 5. Select the right ratio for your content. Consider the type of content you are creating and the platform you are targeting when choosing the aspect ratio for your videos. Certain content may perform better with specific ratios, so choose accordingly to maximize engagement. Number 6. Edit videos to fit requirements. Use video editing software to adjust the size and ratio of your videos according to the platform's requirements. This may involve cropping, resizing, or adding borders to ensure your videos display correctly without distortion. Number 7. Optimize for mobile viewing. Given the prevalence of mobile usage on social media, prioritize formats and sizes that work well on smaller screens, such as vertical or square videos. This ensures an optimal viewing experience for mobile users. Number 8. Review before publishing. Before sharing your videos, review them on various devices and platforms to ensure they appear as intended. Check for any issues with aspect ratios or sizes that may need adjustments to maintain visual quality. Number 9. Monitor performance metrics. After posting your videos, closely monitor performance metrics such as views, engagement, and retention. Analyze how different aspect ratios and sizes impact audience interaction and adjust your strategy accordingly. Number 10. Stay informed about updates. Social media platforms regularly update their algorithms and features, which may affect video size and ratio requirements. Stay informed about any changes to ensure your content remains optimized for optimal visibility and engagement. By following these steps, you can effectively tailor your video content to meet the size and ratio requirements of various social media platforms, maximizing engagement and impact. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this content valuable or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Before you go, don't forget to check out the description box below for additional links and information related to today's video. We will catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a fantastic day.